The Glasgow colleges believe that foundation apprenticeships are a vital part of the senior phase curriculum. They give young people an opportunity to study at college while also getting experience of the world of work.
Today in the room we've had parents of the young people, we've had industry that have been involved, the 3 regional colleges that have led the programme in Glasgow, the local schools and the local authorities that have been involved. And this is a real example of how in Glasgow we've actually seen real partnership in action.
The Glasgow Colleges Foundation Apprenticeship Programme is a tremendous example of how partnership between the city's colleges, the local councils and employers alongside the schools can come together to provide young people with an unrivaled opportunity to explore their talents, their ambitions and their aspirations.
For me, and I've been doing civil engineering, which I would really encourage more females to get into it as well, because it's a really great opportunity to get into, and it's really gave me so many opportunities for being in the workplace and meet new people and be able to communicate and gain more skills.
Part of it is it's a qualification. At the end of the day, your work placement in your second year, it's gave you experience in your working placement, so you've got experience alongside an education which is more or less out of this world.
So it brings it home that what we're doing in Skills Development Scotland, building these work-based learning frameworks alongside the traditional curriculum in schools is a win-win for everybody.
As well, it will make everything easier for me and open so many doors for me as well.